It's not funny.
Get out.
Come on. But she don't drive her now, you tell her come out.
Because she ain't supposed to be pushing.
She pushed Ava. Ava was
Kalia, stop doing that.
No, you don't push, so you need to say sorry.
Say sorry, Kalia. Then you go back in.
Oh, what all you got in there?
I've got Suave Milk and Honey Moisturizing Body Wash.
$1.88.
I've got Equate
Walmart brand.
Body Oil and Gel with Moisturizing Care Cocoa Divine.
$2.88.
And I got some used baking soda. I'm not sure if this is going to be effective.
$1.
Okay. Well, that's
And alcohol.
Oh, wait. And some alcohol.
70%.
Ah, okay.
$1.79.
Are you putting me on your YouTube station?
And what are you doing with it?
I'm moisturizing my feet. It gets my pedicure.
Oh.
This is how we do it.
We?
Yeah.
Who's we?
On the Rock Island.
Nah, bruh. No. Where you from?
Rock Island.
Duval. Go ahead.
From Rock Island.
Oh, hell no.